And my students, as in the last session we have studied about the designing of belt drive, what are the basics and what are the specification of these belt drives. Today we will talk about the length of an open belt drive and how you can calculate the length of closed belt drive. Sometimes it is a straightforward question in the university exam that derive the length of an open belt drive. So you have to derive this expression. As I have already requested you to draw this diagram on your paper so that you can understand it very easily, because this is O1 or bigger pulley or bigger side of the belt drive. This is a smaller side of the belt drive. So, and the radius of rotation R1 and R2 are the radii of larger and smaller pulleys. X is the distance between two centers. This is the distance from here, from this center to the another center of the pulley. Okay, so this is the distance. L is the total length of the belt pulley. Total length means the whole length which is surrounded over the pulleys. Okay, or covered over the pulleys. Now, let the belt leaves larger pulley at E, means the belt leaves from larger pulley at point E, and at a smaller pulley at point F and H, means from F it is joining and from H it is leaving. Okay, so this is the angle alpha from here and this is the angle alpha here. Okay, got it? So next, and you know this MO2 O1, which is from this angle. If you'll see O2, O2 is this, okay, and O1, this angle is also alpha, okay, alpha radian. Now, as you can see here, that length L is the arc G, J, E, E, F, and arc K. First of all, we have to see the arc G, J, E, means arc G, then J, then E, means this means the covered area of the larger pulley. Another arc is here, which is FKH. This is another arc. Then GH, this length, and EF. If you will calculate these all four lengths, then you will be ready with the length of the pulley, or sorry, length of the whole open belt drive. Okay. Now, and this is the one side of this, they have multiplied with 2, then you will get all the values of this. Okay, because EF and HG are same. Okay, now as you know, sin alpha is equals to O1M divided by O1 O2. If you will consider this triangle O1M and O2, with the help of this triangle you can calculate the value of sin alpha. Similarly, you can calculate the value of arc JE. JE is R1 pi by 2 plus alpha. JE, J and E, this arc is equals to how much? Alpha, this is alpha and this is 90 degree. Okay, this whole angle is 90 degree. Okay, so 90 plus alpha. With the help of this arc is arc and radius of rotation, you can calculate value of this arc JE. Okay, so arc JE is equal to R1 is into pi by 2 plus alpha. Okay, similarly you can calculate FK. Now you can calculate EF value with the help of this Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now you have to apply binomial theorem to get the exact or approximate value of binomial. Now, if you will keep all those three values in this expression of L, which is the length, then you are ready with the help of some iterations, you will be ready with this equation. L is equals to pi R1 plus R2 plus 2 alpha into R1 minus R2 plus 2x minus R1 minus R2 whole square divided by x. Okay, substituting the value of alpha, then you will be ready with pi by 2 d1 plus d2 plus 2x plus d1 minus d2 whole square divided by 4a in terms of pulley diameters. So this is the value of L, which you have to note it down. You have derived this equation with the help of all geometric and numerical calculations. Okay, let's see what is the difference between this L and this your open belt drive length and closed belt drive length. Okay, so these all things has been seen. You can see, go to your theory of machine book either from B.B. Bhandari or R.S.Khurmi. You will find out all those things are depicted very easily. So you can go to books, refer your books as well. So this is the same thing. This is a cross belt which we have studied in the classification of the belts. Okay, all remaining things are same, R1 and R2, X, L. Okay, let the belt leaves at E from here and F from here. Okay, Now you have to calculate the same thing. Arc J yeah E J G, the G J E, this arc you have to calculate. Then the length GH, then the arc HKF, then EF. This is whole surrounded by pulley belt or belt length. Okay, means an MO2 O1. This is O1, this is O2, this is M. So this triangle will be M01 O2. This is alpha, and similarly here this angle is alpha, and this angle is also alpha. Okay. As I have told you that you have to calculate L with the help of this. L is equals to arc G J E E F and arc F K H and H G. Okay. With the help of these things, you can calculate the value of length of closed belt drive. Again, simple iterations you have to do. Simple iterations like you have to perform your mathematical tools to calculate this with the help of some geometrical knowledge. RJE similarly we have calculated in the above open build. Then again you will be ready with the equation of L in terms of pulley diameter. The only difference is the value, the sign value here in this expression as well as in the open. Let's see. This is pi by 2 d1 plus d2 and d1 plus d2 whole square divided by 4x plus 2x. Okay. And what is there in this open well drive, as you can see, only in third term of this equation this is minus. Okay, remaining all things are same either in open or closed belt. This will also help you to remember or to recall the formula whenever you are calculating or solving any kind of numerical values. Okay, so we are stopping here. You can solve this question for your practice, how you can get in touch with the length of open belt drive and closed belt drive. This thing you can solve. So stay tuned with our engineering college Banswara channel for more such updates and contents of different branches of engineering domain like computer science engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering. Thank you so much for patience here.